show you what to do if your iPad doesn't charge. So my iPad is actually fine. It charges correctly. I'm just going to demonstrate for the purposes of this video. So what you want to do is, hold on, let me find my cord for my iPad. Let me find the cord. I found my cord, so I'm going to plug in the cord to the wall. And the first thing you want to do is plug it in to verify that it's actually not charging. So, and like I said, mine's actually working correctly. So, what you want to do is, if it doesn't charge, try to turn it off and restart it. So, turn it off and wait for it to restart, and I'll just get back to you when it restarts. Okay, so I'm restarting it. Okay, now most of you at this point should be up and running. So I'm going to plug it in. If it charges, then we're good. So, and like I said, mine's fine. So mine's charging, but I'm just going to demonstrate the next method. Leave the cord plugged in for this one, and then what you want to do is hold the power and home button, and it will force restart while it's plugged into the wall. Make sure it's not plugged into a computer. So power and home, and it's going to force restart. Hold it until it, and then release home, and then this should get you up and running. If it still doesn't charge, then what you want to do is clean inside the charging port. So be very careful. I'm just going to use this little headphone jack thing, and don't jab it in. Just scoop it in very gently. Clean in and around the port. Okay, we clean the port. Clean the USB part of the adapter. That might be dirty. So clean the USB part of this adapter. And then we should be up and running. So we should be up and running. So I'm going to plug it in. And then I'm going to see if it charges. So mine's fine as I demonstrated. So if it still doesn't charge, then you'll need a new cord. And if that doesn't work, then you'll need a new device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it fixed your problem. Like and subscribe. Thank you.